Mexican noodles.
Is that what you call them?
I don't know. That's what my kids call them.
Mexican shells?
Yeah. Mmm. Man, you weren't lying.
I told you they were big.
Those are monsters.
They were on sale too.
Oh, good deal.
Gonna have to cut that part.
All right, we're gonna dice up chop up the meat into small little cubes. Then we'll dice up some onion and garlic, and then I'll start cooking. I'll start filming again.
Yeah.
The steak is diced. A little garlic, a little onion. We're gonna add some shells, a little pato, maybe a beer. Heating up a little butter and oil right now to fry the steak and the garlic and onion and the shells. Alright, let me get that started and then I'll show you what's going on. So we got steak, shells, onion and garlic. We're gonna fry all that just a little bit. Get the shells a little brown with the meat a little bit. That's good. Better be careful because you want to brown the noodles, but you don't want to burn them, and they brown fast. Yeah, keep stirring it. Okay, now we're going to add a can of pato chili. A can of beer. Oh, that looks yummy.
It'll look even better when we top it up with all the cheese.
Mm-hmm. Alright, we're going to get that to boil. Bring the heat down and then I'm going to cover it. And let it simmer for about 20-30 minutes. Okay, I got a good rolling boil now. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to turn that heat down all the way to a low simmer. There we go, right there, barely on. Perfect. And in about 20 minutes, dinner should be served. Mmm. Just a little bit longer, I think. Then we add some cheese. Okay, the noodles are done. And we've cooked almost all the moisture out of it. Now it's time to stir in some cheese. Jennifer's favorite part.
Hell yeah.
Probably about two like that. Let that get to melting, and I'll stir it in, and it's ready to eat. Cover it for a little bit, and I'll show you when the cheese is melted. I'll stir it in, and we'll serve it. Alright, cheese is getting all melty. Really down to no fluid. Yeah, that's it. They're done. Stir in the cheese. There we go. Mexican noodles.
Shells.
Shells, whatever. Noodles. They're still noodles, aren't they? Pasta. Alright, turn this off. Flames out. That's ready to eat.
Yeah.
Looks yummy. Alright, I'm going to plate it, and we're going to eat it. Yum, yum, yum. What do you think?
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think it's even better because you made it.
Oh. It's always better when someone else cooks.
Yep.
Alright, I'm going to eat mine. Just got some steak, noodles, cheese. Yum, yum, yum.